It is one of the skincare industry's most popular and nourishing moisturizing oils, but almost everyone in the US struggles to pronounce its Spanish name. While people accidentally read it as Jojoba, the standard American industry pronunciation is HOH-HOH-BUH. First part, a funny laughing sound starting with an H, or a long garden watering hose, ho. Middle part, copying that exact same laughing sound one more time, ho. Last part, a soft, gentle baby sheep bleat, or the first sound in a piece of bubblegum, buh. Put it all together fast, ho-ho-buh. Say it out loud, jojoba, jojoba, jojoba. Jojoba comes from a celebrated lineage of indigenous Native American botanical traditions, which explains the unique history of its name. Despite being widely called an oil, jojoba is actually a liquid wax ester that perfectly mimics the natural oils produced by human skin. Like, comment, and subscribe.